What if the food we eat is already being changed at the genetic level? Good day! Today, we are here to debate one of the most controversial issues in science. Genetically modified organism or GMO. Are they a solution or a risk to our health, environment, and society? Allow me to introduce our speaker. Our scientists will support the use of GMO in science and agriculture. Our environmental activists will raise the concern of risk to the nature and society. And our farmer will represent the real-life experiences and concern about the farmer.
Before we begin, let's have a brief introduction of GMO. What is GMO?
GMO, or genetically modified organism, food has become a hot topic in recent years. But what exactly is it? GMO foods are crops or animals whose genetic material has been altered using genetic engineering techniques. This process allows scientists to introduce specific traits such as resistance to pests or increased nutritional value. Proponents argue that GMOs can increase crop yields, reduce pesticide use, and help feed a growing global population. However, critics raise concerns about potential long-term health effects and environmental impact of GMO crops. Today, GMO crops are grown in many countries, with corn, soybeans, cotton, and canola being among the most common. As research continues, the debate over GMO foods remains a complex and evolving issue in agriculture and food science.
What is GMO?
GMO stands for Genetically Modified Organism. These are organisms whose DNA has been altered using genetic engineering. Through recombinant DNA technology, genes from one organism are inserted into another. These inserted genes are called transgenes, allowing traits like pest resistance and improved nutrition. Aside from this, cloning is also used, where identical copies of organisms are produced for study and production.
But just because we can do it, doesn't mean we should. You're changing the natural structure of life.
These innovations have real benefits. Golden rice helps prevent vitamin A deficiency. Iron-rich rice fights anemia. BT corn reduces pesticide use. Aqua Advantage salmon grows faster to meet food demand. Even bacteria like E. coli are modified to produce insulin.
As a farmer, malaking tulong talaga yan.
GMO increase food production, reduce crop loss, and help address hunger. They are not just experiments, they are solutions.
Solutions or reasons we cannot control. There's a genetic pollution, the uncontrolled spread of modified genes. There's a cross-pollination where GMO plants affect natural plants. This can lead to outbreeding depression, where the survival strength of species become weaker over time. Some natural species may even face extinction because of genetic interference. You are risking biodiversity and entire ecosystem.
This is why we apply control methods and scientific monitoring. There are also mitigation and physical containment methods to prevent the spread of modified genes.
As a consumer, I am concerned. What about our health?
There are possible allergic reactions and unknown long-term effects. We are not fully sure how GMOs affect the human body.
And what about farmers like us? Seeds are expensive. Big company control them. We become dependent.
People have the right to know what they are eating. They also have the right to access information and be involved in decisions about GMO use. There must be labeling, transparency, and public participation.
I agree. Regulation and awareness are important.
Are we playing God by changing life itself?
We are not playing God. We are using science to solve problems.
But without responsibility, science becomes dangerous.
Both sides have presented strong arguments. GMO brings benefits in science, agriculture, and medicine, but they also raise concern in health, environment, and ethics.
So, it's not about choosing sides. It's about using science responsibly and protecting people and the environment.
GMO are powerful, but they must be guided by responsibility, ethics, and proper regulation.